Meet Robert, a new maintenance technician at Chembiz Incorporated. And here's Anne, an expert operational manager at Chembiz Incorporated. Robert was eager to start his new job and asked Anne about their tasks. His enthusiasm soon clashed with the complex process of equipment management. Luckily, there was a perfect solution: V-Apps. With V-Apps, Anne can create detailed profiles for every tool and piece of equipment. V-Apps Excel Import-Export feature simplifies the process by reducing manual entries. Each tool or piece of equipment has a dedicated view with detailed information. V-Apps allows complete control over tools and equipment with documentation, compliance, maintenance scheduling, and safety data sheets. V-Apps generates printable QR codes for each tool, enabling quick access to its details through a scan. With comprehensive reports and easily readable status emojis, V-Apps simplifies the tool's management process, making it a breeze. Thanks to V-Apps, staff members receive email reminders about upcoming tool maintenance, and people involved receive calendar notifications about outdated requirements and deadlines. V-Apps improves team efficiency and collaboration, empowering Anne and Robert. Optimize your tool management with V-Apps. Try V-Apps today.